Good morning, everyone. This is your Cloud News update for December 31st, 2025. We've curated the top 3 stories in technology you need to know about. Here we go. Kicking things off at number 3, we've got a bold prediction that's turning heads in the tech world. According to TechCrunch, industry insiders are claiming the smartphone as we know it could be dead within 5 years. That's right, your iPhone might soon be a relic. Tech analyst Callahan isn't mincing words, saying we're looking at a major shift away from the devices we've been glued to for nearly 2 decades. The big question everyone's asking is what comes next? AR glasses, AI assistants, brain-computer interfaces? Nobody knows for sure, but the race to define the post-smartphone era is heating up fast. One thing's certain, the next decade of tech is about to look very different from the last. Taking the number 2 spot, we're looking at the dimensions of a new Cold War. Wired reports that the United States still lacks a clear strategy for dealing with Putin's Russia and Xi's China as the global order continues to shift dramatically. The piece argues that America's approach to these 2 major powers remains frustratingly vague and inconsistent. With tensions rising on multiple fronts, from trade disputes to territorial conflicts, the absence of a coherent plan is becoming increasingly problematic. Experts warn that without a defined strategy, the U.S. risks falling behind in this complex geopolitical chess match. The takeaway? In an era of great power competition, clarity and direction aren't just helpful, they're essential for maintaining global stability. And claiming the top spot today, it's all about savings at America's largest retailer. Wired is spotlighting Walmart's latest promotional bonanza, with coupon codes offering up to 65% off across the site, plus an instant $10 discount to sweeten the deal. Now, we're seeing major retailers ramp up their digital discount strategies to compete in an increasingly price-conscious market. Walmart's flash deals are hitting everything from electronics to home goods, making this a prime opportunity for budget-savvy shoppers. With inflation still squeezing wallets, these aggressive promotions show how retailers are fighting hard for every customer dollar. The takeaway? The discount wars are heating up, and right now, consumers are the big winners. Time to fill those carts. And there you have it, your top 3 stories for today. Stay informed, stay inspired, and never stop learning. This is your Cloud News anchor. See you tomorrow.